Okay, this is going to be, I guess, part 2 of working with images and galleries and whatnot. What I'd like to do is look at cropping an image. So let's see. Let's create a gallery. So I'm going to go to Add New Post. We'll just call this Image Test. And I'm going to add a gallery here, so I'll go to Create Gallery. And this is a good image to test this with, and that as well. Let's see, in this here. No, same image. Alright, we'll do this one. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and create gallery. Okay, so we've got this. One thing we have to make sure is this is Mediafire. I noticed on the other gallery that was created, it had attached pages. So it would go to the image, the page the image is. I know that's a little confusing, but the image itself is a page. So if you have that attached page, it'll actually go to the image, and then you'll see a thumbnail of the image, and you'll have to click it again to be able to open it up. So you want to make sure this says media file. And if we click on the actual images, you'll see it also says media file as well. So we'll go ahead and click Insert in the Gallery. So we've got our little gallery here. We'll go ahead and preview, see what it looks like. So our gallery is showing up. Let's just test it. There we go. We can see the images there. And let's go ahead and close it. But we notice in the thumbnails it's cutting off parts of the picture. There is a way around this, so let's go back to our gallery here. Actually, what we need to do is go into the media library. And we know that this is one of the images in our gallery, so we're going to go ahead and click that image. And then we're going to click right here where it says Edit Image. Okay. And then we're going to look over here where it says Thumbnail Settings. Now, any change you make when you're editing this will apply to basically all the image sizes or whatnot. But really, we're going to work specifically with the thumbnail setting. So we're going to check Thumbnail. And then we'll click the image. And we've got crop chosen. So if we do this, we see this sort of area right here, and whatever's inside this area will show up in the crop. So if we wanted the thumbnail to be just this right here, if we clicked this right here, it would crop out all this, and only this would appear. So what we'll do is, if you want the entire image to show up in the thumbnail, just make these borders go all the way through and then click the crop. Because by default, it's only going to show a square when you create an image in the image library. It just defaults to that, so you have to kind of go through and override that. And it's set up that way just for keeping things even and spaced out. But we'll go ahead and use this, so I'll click Save. And we'll just go ahead and update this. Now we look at that. Now if we go back to our, let's see, our image test. We'll click View. Okay, so now we see that our thumbnail does show the entire picture. But you also see that it does change when I was talking about the size and spacing, it does kind of change the way it looks. It's not a square, or obviously it's not a square, and it just doesn't kind of flow as well as it does when it's a square. But you can have whatever you want, whatever part of the image or the entire image in the thumbnail. So that's it. Thank you very much.